Can certainly confirm that. Definitely want to grab that extra layer like Tamara said. It's wind coupled with this cooler weather that we have here with the clear morning, definitely making for a cold morning and a trouble morning for some folks out here. Take a look at this behind me. We're here in Sacramento County. We are off of Clooney and Merritt Way, and you can see here a large tree yesterday afternoon came down on this BMW, and yes, those are dealer plates still on the car there. Now crushed by this tree as it just came right up out of the yard. The whole thing just ripped right up out of the lawn. You can see what's left of the roots there. The nice circular pattern just came right up out of the grass and toppled this thing over under the high wind that we've had across the area. And we've seen some damage around the area as well, a lot less minor than this. A lot of little branches down, a lot of debris in the roadway you want to watch out for this morning. We also heard reports of a large eucalyptus tree over in Fair Oaks that came down. We went to check that out and it's already been cleaned up, just some debris along the edge of the road. But definitely want to have two hands on the wheel if you're going into some of those wind-prone areas like the Causeway. Certainly going to get it bounced around as we were getting bounced around just on the surface streets here around Sacramento. So definitely heed that warning, and they've got all the message signs lit up along the freeway as well, warning of the high winds. Live here in Sacramento County, Brian Hickey, KCRA 3 News.